How to fix common error in YouTube. Hi everybody. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix common errors in YouTube. So if you want to fix the common error in YouTube, you could actually first go with the basic step, that is restart your device. For that, hold on to your side button and then restart the device. That might be able to solve your issue. And other than that, or other than restarting, you could also long press the app and then click on the I button and make sure to go to storage and cache and click on clear cache or storage. That might also be able to help. And then you could also try updating the application. In some cases, it could be due to the outdated version that you're having issues. So on the search bar, type in YouTube and make sure to update the app to the latest version. After updating the application, if the issue still persists on or if you're unable to fix it, then you could try uninstalling YouTube and then reinstall it. That might be able to solve the issue as well. And likewise, for if you're using a browser version of it, then you could clear your Chrome's browser or Safari's cache as well. That might also be able to help you out. So this way you could fix common errors in YouTube. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.